Hello students. Are you ready to dive into the exciting world of numbers? Numbers are all around us, helping us count, measure, and do so many important things in our daily lives. So, let's jump in and explore how awesome they really are. So, what exactly is a number? Well, it's a special symbol we use to represent values and do calculations. Numbers are made up of digits. Those digits are 0 to 9. When we combine them in different ways, we can create all kinds of numbers. Now, let's talk about 0. 0 is such a special number because it represents nothing or emptiness. Imagine you have a plate with 4 apples, red apple, and you eat them all. What's left on the plate? That's right, 0 apples. Moving on, have you ever heard of a one-digit number? These are numbers that use just one digit, and they go from 0 to 9. So, numbers like 2 or 7 are one-digit numbers. But what happens when we combine digits? We get two-digit numbers, like 10, 23, or 99. For example, if you put together the digits 1 and 0, you make the number 10. Let's talk about forward counting now. This simply means counting by adding 1 to a number to get to the next one. For instance, if you start with 1, the next numbers would be 2, 3, 4, and so on. Simple, right? Now, what about backward counting? It's just the opposite. Instead of going up, you start with a number and count down by subtracting 1. So, if we start with 5, the next numbers would be 4, 3, 2, and so on. Have you ever wondered what the before number is? The before number means the number that comes to the left of the given number. The difference between both numbers is 1. For example, 3 comes before 4. And then there's the in-between number. It's the number that lies between two others. For instance, between 2 and 4, the number in the middle is 3. Next up is the after number, the number that comes right after another. If I say 6, the number after it is 7, because it's always one more than the given number. Now, here's something fun. Sometimes we have missing numbers in a pattern. For example, in the series 3, 6, 9, __, 15, 18, the missing number is 12. Can you see the pattern? We're adding 3 each time. Have you heard of skip counting? It's when we count by skipping certain numbers. If we skip by 2, we would count 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, and so on. It's a really fun way to count. Now, let's chat about place value. Place value helps us understand the value of each digit in a number. For example, in the number 74, the 7 is in the tens place, which makes it 70, and the 4 is in the ones place, which equals 4. When we add them together, we get 74. Did you know every number has a name? For example, the number 1 is called 1, and the number 12 is called 12. Learning these number names helps us read and write numbers with confidence. There are even some cool videos out there that give a quick recap of all these fun points. They're perfect for reviewing before your exams or just for a fun learning break. So, now that we've explored so much about numbers, let's remember how they help us in so many ways, from counting things to representing quantities and even performing calculations. Numbers are not just useful in math class but in our everyday lives too. Here's a fun little quiz for you. What's the missing number in the series 3, 6, 9, __, 15, 18? Share your answer in the comments below. The complete curriculum for Class 1 is available on our channel. Check out all the links provided in the description below. Please make sure to like, share, and comment for more such videos.